And we're back again, Review Sample Z on YouTube. Let's continue our UI design series in .NET MAUI. So in this video we're going to look at the login page. So just come here to the app shell XAML, then let's change this. Let's change that to loading page, then save, then let's get it to run. Okay, and it's loading, so let's wait. Okay, so there's our login page. So just double click to show the XAML. So there's our login page, then yeah, just the usual SHELL, so shell, nav visible, is false, and background color. So let's see, our background color. Okay, then we'll do that, then hot reload save. Okay, so there we are. So this is what we're looking at today. So to be a combination of this or one button and that, so what we're going to do is we'll get pretty much everything that's here to save time, then we'll come and paste it into the XAML file. And alright, let's get right into it. Okay, so delete that. So here's our onboarding page, so pretty much everything here. Copy that, then okay, there's our login page, then we'll come and do this, then okay, let's hot reload save. Okay, so we only need one button here, so that can go. So only need one button. Save that. What's the name of this button? Okay, sign in. So change that one to from sign up to sign in. Control S. Okay, then let's go back here. What's the width on this button? 325. So the width of this button is 325. Control S or to hot reload. Okay, so there we are. Okay, all right, so far so good. Okay, so let's begin. Oh, sorry, no, in .NET MAUI we don't use text boxes, we use entry. Okay, entry, let me just close that tag. I want to check something real quick. COR, okay, no. And let me just do this, just real quick. Triggers, entry, horizontal options. You have a template for this. Okay, so it just triggers and no template here. Okay, all right, okay, so let's get back to what we're doing real quick. Okay, so we have the entry there, so let's just get some initial width for this one. So here we are, so that would be 325 and 39. Width request 325. Okay, height request 39, so I'll control S. Okay, so background, make this one transparent for now. Okay, so the reason I want to make that transparent is this that I'm going to put around it. I'm going to put a border around it. I'll wrap a border around the text box. So here we go. Okay, so there's our border. Then background of the color for the border be okay, background color that will be, then STRO border color. We're going to get, which one is here? Is this coffee black? No, this is a light brown. Okay, there we are. Get that one. So I'll just copy, Control C. Then we'll come back here. Then have to put that there, and that. Then okay, let's see what we got. Okay, so STR. Okay, so we got that. ROUND round. Okay, round corners. So that should obviously, let's see, 20 round corners. How do we do it here? Oh, round rectangle. Okay, not round corners. CTANGLE. Okay, round rectangle. So Control S. Okay, so there's a round rectangle. Text box is a bit too wide. So what's the width of this button here? It's also 325, but why are they looking different? Okay, so let's change. Sorry about that. Make it 300. Let's see. Okay, Control C. Let's do the width for the border also. Okay, there we go. So that looks okay at least. So need a label on top. So get this label here, and then Control C. Then put that there. Okay, so this one's going to say email. I'll put that at the end. Okay, too far away. Okay, margin. Let's use a margin. Okay, so the margin 0,0,0,0. So we'll come here. Let's bring that much closer. Okay, that was a bit too far away. No. Let's try 50. Okay, that's right on top there. Okay, so there's a space here because of this spacing here. So this spacing will do this. Change that to 5. Okay, that should look at least a little bit realistic. Then horizontal options, email. Okay, there are no vertical options. Okay, then we'll do this. Okay, so save. So this one should say password. Okay, so password there. Then okay, let me get you guys this code to make this transparent. Let me get you guys this code. I'll put it in the starter kit and thing like that. Okay, so for these lines to disappear, we're going to put some code in the code behind for the login page. So we'll just do this. So go to view code. So I'll include this code as part of the starter kit. Then you guys will just paste it in there like that. Then just hold on. I prefer to do this. Okay, so I can save that. Edit code, save that, then edit code. Then what we're going to do, we're going to restart. Okay, that's going to take a while to load, so I'll be back. Okay, so we're back. So this is what this code does here. Let's have a detailed look at it. So here what we're going to do is if you have problems loading this code when you paste it in, you come here, select Android, then you come here, then you select control dot, then it will bring a set of options that will allow you to paste this in here. So when you paste this in here, then you can run the whole project. Then where's that? The two underlying lines which were there, thing will disappear. So this is entry handler mapper for making the background tint list transparent on Android there. So it does the same on Mac Catalyst, then it does the same on Windows there, but we're not focusing on Mac Catalyst nor Windows there, we're just focusing on Android there and things like that. So there are different options here. So another one could be ENTR. Is that other one? Okay, there's editor handler. So editor is like an entry, it's a text box with multiple lines there and things. So if you're going to use a text box without multiple lines, you just change that to editor handler there. So we're using entry handler here. So that's okay for this. Then okay, so we just close this login page, the code behind. So we're back. Then there's just one more thing we have to add. Okay, we'll get this label here, return password. So we're just focusing on UI design here. Okay, so this one will come, no, not here. Come underneath the border here, like that. So let's just get it to appear there. Okay, so it's there. Then we come here. So we're going to do this. Copy that. Then we'll paste that there. So in the production version of the app, this new user sign up will use a command feature that will take you from the sign in page to the sign up page. So to take you from this page, if you're using the production version of the application, to this page, yeah, it will take you to this page. If you don't have an account, then this statement will do the same. It will take you to this sign in page if you have an account in the production version of the application. So that's one-to-one. Okay, let's make that one-to-one first. Let's do this. Okay, let's get rid of that. Then not horizontal, vertical. It's a vertical stack layout. Okay, so then let's see, let's hot reload. Okay, so that should be another one-to-one approximation of what is in the UI design. So we'll end this video here. Review Sample Z on YouTube, and I'm out. I'm going to work on the next video. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Don't forget.